Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and right now this is actually an emergency video because Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside, and let's go into the charts right now. So Bitcoin just broke $27,100, and this is significant because for the past, since literally August 21st, Bitcoin has not been seeing a drastic move. And finally, we are seeing a break. And if we look at the daily chart, I also have Carl from the Moon with me, which is absolutely fantastic. Carl from the Moon, thank you so much for joining. I actually FOMO'd into a very small trade here on Bitflex. So that is very nice with the low margin account. And guys, remember, if you want to be trading on Bitflex, all you have to do is go to youtube.com. Well, you will be on this video anyways. Go to Crypto Kid, and if you just check out the description for one of the latest videos like this beautiful video that we made, well, I posted yesterday, you can just go to the description below and sign up to Bitflex using this link right over here. Well, you will be able to participate in a giveaway of $1,000. So we're gonna do a very nice giveaway now. You can actually participate by signing up using this link, and of course, if you want to trade on Bybit, you can do so right over here. But going back onto Bitcoin, we are seeing a pump above the 27.1K level. As I said, this is pretty significant. We broke out of this upper trend line. Where is the next level of resistance? Well, looking at the three moving averages, which we have, and these are the 30, the 7, and the 3 period MAs, and these build up a system called Consensio on the weekly time frame. Looking at that, we actually have resistance at 27.7K. So that is where I would say the next level of resistance is, and that's where I would put my take profit for this trade. So I'm going to put my take profit over here, and I'm going to put $27,700. So that's where I'm going to be taking profit. Right now, a stop loss, because it's a very low leverage trade, I'm going to keep it in the meantime. But of course, if I do add a stop loss in the upcoming hours, I will post it on my free Telegram community right over there. But for the meantime, I think 27.7K is possible. And yeah, I'm just very happy, honestly, Carl, that there is some volatility. But I want to get some of your takes also. What do you think about this volatility? Is this going to continue towards the upside, or it's just another fake out and we're going to dump back down to 26.1K?
Thank you for remembering that I'm here, bro. I'm kidding.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, your rants are crazy.
Sorry about
it's amazing.
I'm actually sorry for that.
No, it's amazing, bro. You're killing it. It's really a pleasure to see
I forced him to go on the video, and I didn't even give him a proper.
No, you didn't force me. I love to be in your videos, bro. It's
Thank
amazing.
you, bro.
I love your videos. I've been following you for, is it like a year now, I think?
Bro, I've been following you for multiple years, so.
Bro, thank you. Yeah. Both me and Da Vinci and all the big crypto bros, we're very proud of you, bro.
Thank you so much, man. You guys are my mentors, so yeah.
Anything, bro, anything.
But bro, what do you think? Do you think we're going to continue higher, or?
That's a great question.
It is a great question.
I really do think that the yellow line that we're breaking now is a massive resistance for the past few weeks, and I'm super happy to see us breaking it now. Because that's why I also jumped into a long position. I have positions both on Bybit and Bitflex, actually.
Amazing.
Yeah, because I had the Bybit position open ever since 16,000. This one is still open. And then yesterday I opened up a couple of more positions. So on my Bybit account, I've been doing quite well recently. And the question now that I've asked myself and that I talked about on my channel is, maybe it's time to double down. So I want to increase my positions when we break this yellow line, and now we are breaking it. So actually, as soon as we're done with this video, I'm going to go and increase my positions, actually.
Yeah, I mean, for sure. I mean, one of the rules of risk management that actually one of my other mentors, Tone Vase, taught me was that never double down on a losing position, but you can double down on a winning position. And now that we've broken this very crucial, the very crucial level, this trend line that we discussed, I think it was a massive level of resistance. And yeah, I think it could take us potentially all the way up to 27.7K. There is a probability that we come back down, retest this level, and make it now support to 26.6K. But let's see, time will tell. Time will tell if we will actually continue. Now, talking about some more macro topics, right? Actually, we were just having some dinner, and we were having a little bit of a debate if Bitcoin is going to make it back to 60K and then above and beyond. And honestly, Carl shared some very valuable insights to me that really changed my perspective on things. And his perspective on why. Can you just share some of the stuff that you mentioned to me on why Bitcoin is here to stay and why it's a necessity rather than something that people just want to buy?
Exactly. I don't think Bitcoin is necessarily choice. It's something that you have to buy to save yourself from financial disaster. So I made the example of Pepe. Like when people buy Pepe, they don't have to buy Pepe. Like no one has to buy Pepe. Like literally nobody in the world needs Pepe. But some people buy it because they want to, because they
What
want
is
to have
Pepe
fun.
doing anyway? But yeah, as you're saying, I'm gonna just check Pepe.
Yeah, but so Pepe is a choice. With Bitcoin, it's not a choice. It's something you need if you are in countries with high inflation, or if your banks are messing with you, telling you you can't take out your money, you cannot send your money. In these circumstances, which many of us found ourselves in. I mean, I had many battles with banks,
Hmm.
especially recently because of my crypto background.
Wow, by the way,
Um,
that doesn't look
Look
good.
at that. That doesn't look good, no.
Yeah, but you were saying?
But yeah, so essentially, in these financial monetary disasters, people are going to buy Bitcoin because they have to buy Bitcoin, not because they want to, you know. And this is going to lead to a massive surge in the Bitcoin price in the next few years, because more and more fiat currencies end up in inflation.
Hmm. And that's very true. I mean, I think the bull market that we're going to see is going to be a mixture between Wall Street, right? Wall Street, because once we see the spot ETFs, I mean, after BlackRock, I've talked about this multiple times on the channel, but even after BlackRock created a spot ETF for gold, an ETF for gold, gold being the mature asset it is, it spiked in price like crazy. So I think Wall Street will do its best to make as much money off of Bitcoin as possible for their clientele. And that's why I think Bitcoin will see a pump in the sense that it will be much more Wall Street manipulated. And then eventually, once the currencies of countries begin to collapse and people understand why, Bitcoin is actually the much better solution for making everyday transactions. And it's not, it's 24/7, it's active 24/7. If you need to send a payment or somebody needs to collect a payment, they can do it immediately, right? Almost immediately without having to wait for the bank holiday or whatever and all these things. So if you want to be learning about why Bitcoin is super fundamental, you can go ahead and watch my Bitcoin Explained by a Kid video, which I will put as a card at the top right-hand section, because really I talk about topics that will change your perspective about Bitcoin and make you understand why it's actually very useful. So Carl, thank you so much for coming on the video. Before I end off, let's just have a final look at Bitcoin. We are
Wow.
still climbing. And again, if you guys want to be trading this move, you can head over to either Bitflex or Bybit
What
to be
exactly
trading.
is your entry there?
So I just literally entered it as soon as we broke out from this trend line over
So it was
here.
a breakout trade.
Yeah, it was basically a breakout trade. I mean, this was a very valuable level of resistance. Again, we were trying to break above it for the past 4 or 5 weeks.
Hmm.
So because of this, and now that the moving averages are crossing towards the upside, I decided it may be a good time to enter this long trade.
Looks beautiful. I like these green candles, these breakouts with some volume. So now it's the time to open a trade. That's for sure.
Mhm.
That's why I did it also, and I'm gonna increase my positions actually.
Awesome. Guys, remember, if you sign up to Bitflex using the link in the description below, you'll be able to get a chance to win 1,000 USDT. Of course, you need to deposit and start trading to be able to participate. So make sure you go ahead and do that. But ladies and gents, thank you so much for joining. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much for Carl joining on the video. And thank you for letting me use your beautiful studio, by the way, to record the
Yeah,
video.
no worries, bro. You're always welcome.
Awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. And I will see you all in the next video very soon. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.